Raise up a generation. Raise up a people that bear your image, that know your heart, that love like you, that walk like you, that follow you wherever you go. Raise up these sons. Raise up the mighty sons of God that all creation longs for. Those you died for, those set apart for glory, who will go and inherit the nations. Who will respond to the burden in your heart, who will conquer fear and trample doubt, forsaking all that they are to follow you, paying any price, laying down all worldly desires to live wholeheartedly unto you. Who will hear your knocking on their door, who will awaken and arise to your call, who will take the leaps of faith to shift the destiny of an entire generation. I know they're coming. I know they're here. Call them out. Raise them up, Lord.
In our day, God is raising up ones who will stop making excuses and stop justifying the condition of our generation. There's no more time to just sit back and blame others for the corruption we find in the nations. No, it's time to boldly confront the darkness that lingers in the shadows of our society and rage war against the apathy that has jaded the will of God in our day. We can't and we won't just live as spectators any longer, watching as the whole world runs in circles looking for hope, looking for an answer. And the fact is, we have this answer. We found the treasure that's been hidden in the field. And in all reality, we won't be the strange ones. We're the ones who are stepping into the very design and intention of all creation. And eternity isn't a light subject. And every minute, there are people passing from the earth into the everlasting. And we are the sons who have tasted of the glory and have seen the beauty of our God, the unprecedented majesty of our King. And we are ruined for anything less than the captivating splendor of the author of creation, the sustainer and source of all wonder and fascination. This God has chosen us to be His very own. And there will never be a more worthy pursuit.